Good morning, guys. Today I will share a quick and highly effective technique to retain and memorize vocabulary for longer period of time. So if you are a beginner and want to ace GRE exam in less time, then you are absolutely in the right spot. Before moving forward, I will request you to kindly subscribe my channel because this is the only support and favor which you can do for me. Now let's come to the topic, and that technique is word grouping. Now what is word grouping? Word grouping simply means to group all words together that shares same meanings or almost similar meanings. Now why we will do so? Because our brain loves patterns. Grouping words into patterns will help our brain to access, retrieve, memorize, process and retrieve them faster as compared to if we learn, memorize and access them individually. Moreover, it will help us to keep them in long-term memory, to keep them remember for longer period of time. Now let's see how word grouping will work with the help of an example. Okay, on the screen you can see a word group containing 8 words: castigate, lambast, chastise, rebuke, reprimand, censure, upbraid and berate. All these 8 words share a common meaning: to criticize or scold someone severely. Now by remembering just this single common meaning, you can easily recall all those 8 words. This technique is especially helpful when tackling reading comprehension, sentence equivalence and text completion tasks. Now you can see on the same pattern I have created 34 word groups, and you can find them in the playlist titled Boost Your Vocab with GRE Word Groups. There each word group contains on average 6 words, which means 6 into 34, that makes 204 words roughly. So this technique allows you to learn 204 words effortlessly in just seconds. So simply explore the playlist. I'll continue updating it over time. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to post them in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more GRE tips. I'll be back tomorrow with another GRE tip. Until then, goodbye and stay blessed.